It is painful, deeply painful, to watch our African brothers and sisters searching tirelessly for their true origins, only to find that truth slipping further away with every step. For generations, we have sought to know who we are, but the path has been clouded, not by mystery, but by deception. The tragedy is not that our history was stolen, it's that it was rewritten, distorted by false historians, hyenas who feed on the confusion of the lost. They seek fame, they seek fortune, but never the truth. If you are researching and sharing the story of a people, it must never be for yourself. It must be to enrich those who seek knowledge, to heal those who have been made to forget. That is why, when I share what I've found, I do not show my face, because this journey is not about me. It's about you, my brothers and sisters. It brings me peace to know, through all the years of study, that we are one. So do not call me a scholar or a teacher, for what I share does not belong to me. It belongs to all of us. Our history was deliberately twisted so that we would remain confused, because confusion is the foundation of oppression. If you don't know who you are, you will always depend on those who claim to know better. But here's the truth. Finding our origin is not that difficult. It is we ourselves who have made it complicated. We became arrogant. We began to believe that our tribe, our clan, our nation was greater than others. We forgot that Africa was once one, a land without borders, without separation. Now we look at one another as strangers. Some even think they are better than others. But who told you that you are any different from your brother? Even within the same tribe, we compete for superiority, as if dominance makes us greater. But what is dominance? It is the will to conquer your own reflection. And when brothers fight brothers, no one wins. Our ancestors fought for power. Now, it is our turn to fight for unity. Because if we continue to seek our origin through pride, we will never find our truth. Finding your history is not about conquering someone else's. It's about humility. It's about realizing that your story is connected to the story of the one you look down upon. If you can calm your spirit, remove arrogance, and open your heart, you will see that your origin is not far from the next person's, maybe even the one you once despised. You will never find your true history without looking into your brothers, because our stories are woven together, thread by thread, generation by generation. So remember this, where you see inferiority is where your history lies. Until we embrace one another, we will remain lost, searching for a truth that has always lived within us all.